Okay, so the first job we're going to tackle is the front cowling. So I'm going to take this off and see if we can repair that clack and have a look at what's going on elsewhere. Okay, so I had to remove this top cowling cover, I suppose, and there is a screw there, the same on this side, and I hope that, once we take that off, I think everything else is just push fit, we shall see. And she's off. And that's off. So the plan at the minute is to do a plastic repair on that. I'm not planning on replacing plastics at the minute because it's a 2003. There's not really any spare second hand, and I don't know whether you're spending another £500 or £600 on plastic at this point. So, and potentially I might drop it once or twice, hopefully not. So the plan is I'm going to do a repair, so I'll film the repair, the plastic repair on that, and then the plan is to take this upper thing, now it's off loose I think, we'll get that one off and fix the indicator, and that's the plan for that, and we'll have a look at what's going on there. Cool. Okay, so unearthed another broken part that I wasn't aware of. So there are lugs here and here which are broken off, and you can see them on the other side, here and here. So obviously that side impact's cracked them. Now I may be able to get a lens, I don't know, and if it's a light I'll replace the light. But they made it's the same light from 2018, so I should be able to get a second-hand light if need be. But I'm going to put it back together as is and try and get it out on the road as quickly as possible. So that's the cowling back on, and you can see the repair across there. Solder iron wasn't holding enough to actually melt, so I had to use a 2-part epoxy, which is pretty strong, and it's holding it at the minute. Problem I've got is this is not right, because those lugs are broken off and therefore it's not holding in the bottom, but it'll do for now. I've also reattached the reflector, which I did from the back, thankfully, because there's a big hole here. So that's the first repair. I'm just waiting for the parts now to do the pedals, which will make it roadworthy at least. I will need to get a new cowling at some point, and I will get another, what do we call it, a lower cowling or a fender or whatever, at some point from eBay or somewhere. And that's where we are just now.